Welcome to Hayes Vital Health. Reconstruction surgery, step-by-step procedure and recovery. Have you or a loved one been recommended reconstruction surgery but feel unsure about what to expect? Don't worry. We're here to break it down in a simple step-by-step guide that informs, reassures, and empowers you on this journey to recovery. Reconstruction surgery restores form and function after injury, illness, or surgery. Its goal is to help you regain confidence and improve quality of life. Depending on your needs, it may involve specialized techniques tailored to your condition. Understanding it brings clarity to this crucial part of your healing process. Preparation starts with consulting your surgeon and healthcare team. You'll undergo tests to ensure you're fit for surgery and discuss details like anesthesia and recovery expectations. During this phase, staying informed and asking questions will help you feel more confident as the big day approaches. Your surgery may be scheduled as an outpatient or inpatient procedure, depending on its complexity. In the operating room, your surgeon uses advanced techniques to reconstruct the affected area. You'll be closely monitored throughout to ensure comfort and safety during every stage of the procedure. Recovery begins once the surgery is completed. Initially, you'll rest under medical supervision to manage pain and ensure healing. When discharged, follow your care plan closely. This may include medications, wound care, and follow-up visits with your medical team to track your progress. Rehabilitation, physical therapy, or lifestyle adjustments may be part of your recovery. Although the timeline varies, patience is key. Celebrate small milestones and lean on your support network. With consistent effort, you'll return to daily routines stronger and more confident in time. Your journey to healing begins with the right knowledge and support. Consult with a trusted healthcare provider, and remember, you're not alone on this path. Share this video with others who may benefit and feel empowered to embrace the recovery process with optimism and hope.